Thanks for joining me on Extra Edition. I'm TJ Eckert. At the top of our newscast, we told you about a family who abruptly lost guardianship of their ailing dad. Guardianships are designed to protect people, but it's also associated with a growing number of fraud cases. 2 News Oklahoma's Aaron Christie talked to an attorney not associated with that case about how to protect yourself.
Tulsa attorney Austin Bond implores everyone, while healthy, to designate a medical and financial power of attorney, the legal documentation of who will take care of you when you're sick. Why?
Because if you don't, someone's going to step in and they don't have to follow what you want. Oftentimes it's what you don't want. This is a massive amount of power that person has. Oftentimes this takes away your ability to drive, in some cases to vote, certainly to handle your own financial affairs, make medical decisions. And with that amount of power, when it's unchecked, it's ripe for fraud. And it happens all the time.
How does it work? Bond says unscrupulous attorneys, those in the medical field and or banks, are working to petition the court for guardianship, and any could be behind it, most times for financial gain. At times, folks are whisked away from their family, cell phones even taken away. And in Oklahoma, Bond says there's no law that says that part is wrong.
There needs to be an obligation for a guardian to communicate with the ward's family. And right now, I think that's lacking at the statutory level.
According to Oklahoma Watch, guardianship scheme stories aren't just about looting the rich, but defrauding Medicaid. Bond says courts are flooded with lawsuits, but criminal charges aren't often investigated or prosecuted.
If you think the state of Oklahoma is going to come in and try to protect your own individual and financial interests if you're in a vulnerable position, don't count on it.
And once a guardianship is granted, it is an expensive legal fight to undo it, a fight that some could never afford, and the ones who could are no longer in charge of their money. Aaron Christie, 2 News Oklahoma.